This is Tony Poland, and I'm going to do a Gluteus Maximus stretch series. And the reason we need multiple stretches for Gluteus Maximus is because it has a wide angle of attachment for the origin, and it all comes down, almost all of it comes down to a small insertion point. So you need multiple angles to stretch, kind of like pec major has a large origin and a small insertion, so you have to stretch at different angles. Same concept. So to do that, I prefer to use a massage table or something about a high thigh height to get that angle. And I'm going to stretch toward nose toward toes, nose toward shin, and basically center of chest toward the knee. So I'm going to put my leg up on the table, and I'm going to make sure that my pelvis is facing towards my foot. As I fold forward, I want to keep my back nice and flat, take my nose toward my toes, and I should get a nice lateral rotator stretch on the outside of that hip. If I rotate slightly, bringing my pelvis to face toward my shin, the center of my shin, I can fold forward over the middle of my shin, and I'll get a slightly different stretch, a little more medial with that angle. If, however, I bring my pelvis over so that my knee is in front of my chest, and I fold straight over my knee, the stretch goes to the medial-most aspect of the gluteus maximus, and it almost feels like it's stretching underneath your sit bone. Alternatively, again, if you have a massage table, you can actually sit on the table. It's a little more challenging to turn your pelvis when you're sitting on the table, but it's possible. So you can sit on the table with the other sit bone off the edge. You fold forward over the toes, fold forward over the shin, and again, turning your pelvis, fold forward over the knee. All three will get you the right angles. Remember, stretch to the edge of discomfort, never into pain. Hold it for about 30 seconds if you're trying to work through metabolic waste, pushing metabolic waste out of that tissue and have that be part of your recovery. If you're trying to change the length of the muscle, you want to hold the stretches a little longer, more like a minute or 2 minutes on each side.